One of my bucket lists was to float lying on my back on the Dead Sea. It happened. Oh, the sea was saltish. It was very, very saltish. I stood up waist high in the Dead Sea. The tour guide said, just fall backwards and lay on your back. And as instructed, I did that. And then I was floating. It was a very strange feeling because for the first time, I was floating very comfortably on water. As I lay there for a while, I had an epiphanical moment. If the water is denser than your body, you float. If the water is less dense than your body, you sink. And if we apply that in a business sense, in a improvement sense, personal improvement sense, if you hang out with people who are denser than you, dense not in that stupid sense, but in terms of the quality people, they're going to keep you afloat. Let me explain to you. If you hang around with smart people who can give you great advice at the time when you need it, it could be a financial advice, it could be a financial investment advice, that would have kept you afloat. That would have saved you a lot of money or could have made you a lot of money. If you hang around with people who are medically very smart, doctors, physicians, and when you have a problem, they spot it early and they keep you afloat because they spot the symptoms early and say, hey, go check yourself up. When you hang around with people who have knowledge in terms of your marriage, and they can tell you what's going on and they can keep your marriage afloat because they give you really good advice. And so as I laid there, I realized that sometimes you help people and sometimes you need people to help you. Sometimes you're around people that are relying on you, but today's lesson is, who are the people that you can rely on that could lift you? If you run with strong runners and then when you become exhausted, they can push you from behind or can grab you and say, come on, let's go. So stronger people could lift you. So who are the people that could lift you up and keep you afloat? I would like you today to think about that.